Now, I don't know if she goes by Evelyn, Eve, Evie, but I'll tell you what, with a middle and a last name like that, this kid is destined for stardom. Evelyn June Carter.
Well, look at those eyes.
Look at that name. Anytime you get
smile.
June Carter in a name, I guarantee the kid's got talent. Big number 1, love from Grandma and Grandpa Evelyn June Carter. She's in St. Paul.
I'm just curious what she's getting into. She got something
I'd give her a
secretive in her
guitar
hand right there.
I'd give her a guitar and some tap shoes right now. Bet she can turn out a top 40 record.
That is a cool name. All right. Happy birthday, Evelyn. Hope you have a great day. Wonderful weekend. And Hadley Morgan is turning 6 years old this year. Look at that cutie there in Carthage.
You know what we love to yell? Boogny birthday!
Hey, hey!
Ah, that's cool. A little novel show right there. How cool is that? Canton turning the big number 7. Happy birthday, man.
Picking up seashells on the seashore. All right. I guess wishing for warmer weather. All right. And we've got Lexi Robinson turning 12 years old this year. Love that photo. Hope you have a great birthday.
We're big in the Tennessee River Valley, and that's why we want to give a big happy birthday wish to Maggie Evans as she celebrates number 25. That's Maggie there on the left. She used to live in the NAC. That's why we always keep her in our thoughts. And that gentleman right there in between the two women, well, if it looks familiar, you were probably watching him on TV last night. That's Ochai Agbaji, KU star. I believe he had, he scored 15, 16 last night. Maggie wants you to know this birthday wish comes with happy birthday, not only from Ochai, but also your entire family.
All right, happy birthday, Maggie. And happy birthday going out to Trisha Greenwood, who's celebrating number 32 this year. That'll be her on the left there. In Girard.
Jon Jones celebrating his 37th birthday. John, I want you to have a great day. He's in Frontenac.
All right. Dan Downey turning 64 with the catch of the day in Joplin.
Nice catch, Dan. That's impressive right there. This young woman right here is absolutely marvelous. Her name is Jo Herman, and the way that she takes care of people is second to none. Jo, a happy 70th birthday. Coming with love from the grandkids, Dylan, Brody, Ty, Evie, and Minnie. And that's Rosie the Riveter that Jo is standing by there.
That's cool.
Jo is the embodiment of empowerment. That statue apropos.
Yeah. I would say it's a statue of Jo Herman. I like it. And Nancy Lee turning 78 years old. One of our many four-state heroes. Miss Lee was a captain in the Army. She served in Vietnam.
John Bitezinger, happy 78th. Love to see Mr. Bitezinger right there. That picture taken from a fishing trip, one of the many that John takes each and every year down in Texas. The smallest one he caught, get this, the smallest one he caught was 12 inches.
Pretty fish there.
Fishing pool right there. Happy birthday, John.
Guess I have to amend my catch of the day, right? He got 2 in his photo.
Peggy Cobalt, a happy birthday to you in Columbus. Miss Peggy, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous day. Judy Clugston is also celebrating in the bus. And while we're there, if we're in Columbus, let's celebrate Lucas Natalieini's 8th birthday. Happy birthday, kiddo. Lisa Alsop rounds us out. Miss Lisa, she's celebrating in Crestline. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
We'll be right back after this.